So back to the topic of efficiency. I want you to know I'm a very efficiency-oriented person. And efficiency isn't so much about, I don't want to work, or I don't want to put in the hours of study. I mean, yeah, I don't want you to put in the hours of study. If you can study Spanish in a tiny amount and get the same result as if you were to take a full long course, I definitely want you to do the thing that's less laborious. But the part that really inspires me to do things in an efficient way is that I'm helping you to create space and time in your life to go out and actually practice Spanish. So I'm not going to have you be in my classroom or using my materials for hours and hours and hours on end learning things that are pointless. I'm going to teach you the things that are not pointless, the things that are pointful, the things that are purposeful for you. And then I want you to get out and go practice that and go have fun with it and go to the taco shop down the street and order your taco in Spanish. Book that flight to another country and have a blast actually practicing it with other people. Because efficiency isn't about removing work. It's about creating fun. And so I know it's super cheesy, but functionally fluent, fun is in functionally, right? So that's what I want you to do. I want you to have fun with the foreign languages that you're going to be learning through us. And I'm very much on purpose kept things streamlined and efficient to help you get exactly what you need and exactly what you want while having the most fun and the most return on your investment. So thanks so much for watching this, and see you on the next topic.